The sun is up, the sky is blue, the birds are singing.
Easy baked chocolate cupcakes in microwave oven. Ingredients you need are powdered sugar 1 cup, whole-purpose flour 1 cup, baking powder 1 tablespoon, salt a pinch, cocoa powder 1/2 cup, milk 1 cup, oil 1/2 cup, eggs 3, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. In a bowl add all dry ingredients.
The rain that falls, the flowers bloom, the stars that sparkle in the gloom. For every moment, big or small, alhamdulillah, through it all, alhamdulillah, say it loud.
Mix all dry ingredients properly. In a separate bowl add all wet ingredients: eggs, oil, milk and vanilla essence.
Feels so right. When you're happy, when you're sad, think of the blessings that you've had.
I'm adding few drops of chocolate essence. You can skip it.
Alhamdulillah makes us strong.
Mix all wet ingredients properly. Now gradually add mixture of dry ingredients in the mixture of wet ingredients.
Feels so right. The sun is up, the sky is blue, the birds are singing, me and you. For every smile, for every ray, alhamdulillah, every day, alhamdulillah, say it loud, alhamdulillah, make it proud. For all the gifts, for all the light, alhamdulillah, feels so right. The rain that falls, the flowers bloom, the stars that sparkle in the gloom. For every moment, big or small,
Mix until all ingredients get mixed properly and no lumps left behind.
say it loud, alhamdulillah, make it proud. For all
Take any kind of cup or silicone molds for making cupcakes. Take any kind of cupcakes lining papers.
so right. When you're happy, when you're sad, think of the blessings that you've had. Clap your hands, come sing along.
Fill up your cupcakes linings 3/4 parts. Don't fill up full. Leave 1 part for rising cake.
Alhamdulillah, say it loud, alhamdulillah, make it proud. For all the gifts, for all the light, alhamdulillah, feels so right.
Microwave for 6 to 8 minutes according to your oven power. I set up time of 8 minutes. Check in between with stick.
And you, for every smile, for every ray, alhamdulillah, every day,
Check your cupcakes with a knife or stick and it should come out clean.
alhamdulillah, make it proud. For all the gifts, for all the light, alhamdulillah, feels so right. The rain that falls, the flowers
For whipping cream frosting, check out next part on my YouTube channel.
for every moment, big or small, alhamdulillah,
Like, share and subscribe for new recipes.